Hey, this is John, and I'm going to be going over in this video the top 7 ways to make money online. But what's important for you to also understand is the 3 main business models in which you'll be receiving income, and I'll be going over those as well in this video. So the 7 ways to make money online, there's a lot of different ways you can get traffic. And when I'm talking about making money online, I'm going to focus on how you actually get people to your website. Now, the way you get paid is slightly different. So I'll be talking about what I call the traffic sources in just a second here. But first, I want to discuss the 3 main business models so you know how you can monetize that traffic. I call these business models. Now, the first is e-commerce, okay? You can be selling your products and making money off of them. Whether you're doing drop shipping or whether you've invented your own product or created your own thing, you can use e-commerce to sell that. Now, the second is affiliate marketing. You can sell other people's products and earn commissions off of that. Sometimes you can earn as much as 90% or even 100% commission on other people's products for selling them, helping market them for them on the internet. So this is an easier way. This is what I do actually. I make millions of dollars per year as an affiliate. I don't have any employees. It's just, you don't need a website. You don't need to do customer service. You don't need to have a product or ship or fulfill or take taxes, all this crazy stuff that you have to do with e-commerce. It's a little more complicated. And the third business model is perhaps the easiest, which is coaching and consulting, okay? And I kind of put a dash because coaching is generally when you're speaking with people, like maybe you're a fitness coach and you want your personal trainer and you're looking for clients. Consulting is more business to business when you're working with businesses and coaching them really. So let's go over to the 7 main ways to get traffic, to make money online, okay? So the first is blogging. This is one of the oldest. Now, I know a lot of people have gotten their start with blogging. Blogging is simply you need a website to blog and you just post up informative or newsworthy content as often as you can, and you will rank in Google search results. People search Google to find websites, whether they're looking to buy better baby diapers or whether they're looking to how to better parent their child or how to landscape their yard. People are Googling everything. And if you have a good blog post or an informative article on how to landscape your yard better, you'll get traffic, okay? And you can monetize that traffic, whatever that is, whether you're an affiliate for products, you're selling your own landscaping tool, or if you're, selling landscaping services, right? The next one is YouTube. YouTube is a fantastic traffic source. It's one of the best places to get started online. And basically you're posting up videos. You want to add value to the world. The whole point of YouTube is to help either entertain or inform other people. I subscribe to a lot of music channels. I love music. I love like tropical house, like EDM type music. And, they make money from ads. They make money from selling, merchandise. They make money from concerts. That's how the musicians are monetizing their YouTube channel. I make a little money from ads. I make about $500 a month from putting up posts on my YouTube channel. The third is Instagram, okay? Now, very basic. Again, it's a great traffic source, very obvious there. You can monetize that multiple different ways, but the point is you have to really focus on one of these. The next one is Facebook ads. Now, Facebook ads is one of the most immediate, easiest places to get traffic to your links. People are always asking me, how do I get people to visit my affiliate links? Dude, it's so easy. Blog, put up YouTube videos, Instagram, Facebook ads. Focus on one of these methods, and it's really straightforward of how you can make money online, but you need to focus on one of these methods and become good at it, okay? Don't just post random stuff. The next method I would say is forums, okay? Forums that are about very niche topics. Maybe there's a forum about, for photographers, or a job board for photographers where people are looking to learn more about photography. You can actually make a lot of money by being an affiliate marketer and recommending people to a specific helpful item in forums. Forums are used by generally, slightly older people now, but That's where the money is. The money is not in your 25-year-old skull. Most people below the age of 30 are broke. If you are below the age of 30 and you are broke, just type in broke in the comments. The money isn't in young people, okay? The money's in older people. You know, if you were on a model train forum and you were an affiliate marketer, that would be a great way to make money. Next is actually comment spam. I call it spam. That's what it is. If you go on a lot of YouTube channels, you'll see a ton of comments, especially in my niche, which is, you know, making money online. I get so much spam of people saying, hey, you know what? Check out this link. I made $5,000 per day, clicking ads or something. And people post their affiliate links in comments on blogs and on YouTube, Facebook posts, on Instagram comments, etc. People post their links, affiliate links, all over comments. You know, my wife has people selling her baby products through direct message on Instagram. So there's all sorts of ways to spam people. I don't personally like this one. This is annoying. But the reason it keeps going on is because there are people making money doing it. It's a free way to get started. It doesn't cost anything. So that's one of the methods. I have to put it in there. And the last method is email. You can send people email of helpful items. Now, let's say you have a lot of friends who are in college and you just found a speed reading course. Okay, you could send them an email and say, dude, I check out this speed reading course. I studied like 5 times faster. You know, you can buy this product too. Whatever. Again, college kids are broke, so it's not a good market to go after. But a lot of people send emails to their friends selling products, or they build up an email list around a specific topic, such as, you know, daily fitness tips or advice. And that's a very good niche to focus on, you know, and you can email all your friends and say, hey, do you want to receive emails from me about daily fitness advice? And you can promote links or products, whatever you want, or your personal training. So those are the 7 traffic methods. Really simple. These are the 7 ways to make money online. What I advise you to do is, if you're starting on this, focus on one of these, okay? Don't spread yourself thin, because if you spread yourself thin, you're gonna suck at everything, okay? You're just gonna royally suck at everything by trying to do everything, okay? So don't scatter yourself, focus on one and become good at it. If you have monkey mind and you can't focus on one, you might need to get your mindset right or think about what you want to do in life first. But how I got started is I focused on blogging, and I wrote reviews of different investment companies. I was an affiliate marketer for a gold investment company, and I simply wrote review articles. I did a lot of research on the other gold investment companies, and I recommended people to the company that would pay me commissions. And I made a lot of money doing it, because people who are looking to invest money have a lot of money, and the commissions are very high. You know, the biggest commission I ever made was $33,000, and that was in one day. For like a 24-year-old kid, I made a $33,000 commission just for writing some blog posts. Now, that's big money, but if I tried to do all 7 of these traffic sources when I was starting, I wouldn't have done well in any one of them. I chose to focus on one and go deep. And that's how I was able to earn that first $33,000 commission. And that sort of changed my life and really started me on that internet career. So hopefully this was helpful. If you're looking to learn more about what I do for a living, which is called affiliate marketing, you can subscribe to my channel. You'll get a free course as well as some bonuses. And also make sure to comment below, what was the most helpful here for you to understand? Was it learning about the traffic sources, or was it learning about the actual main business models that make money here? Speak to you soon.